Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the yellow snow tea. So I'm starting with 1 scoop of H3o, 1 scoop of lemon Niteworks. I'm adding some mango aloe. In another cup, I'm going to add 1 scoop of Pina Colada Stevia. I'm going to add some lemon tea. I'm adding a little bit of yellow food coloring. And this is just for the look. And then I'm going to add ice. And then I'm going to add a PineappleLiftoff, more ice and water. And then I'm going to top it with the lemon, pina colada, and the yellow food coloring. If you just want the taste of the tea, you can leave the food coloring out, but this will give a better picture. And that's it. That's how you make yellow snow. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.